Have you ever looked up at the sun and wondered if it will shine forever? Our star, the giver of light and life, is about 4.6 billion years old. Right now, it's in its prime, like a steady, burning campfire in the center of our solar system, constantly turning hydrogen into helium in its fiery core. It feels permanent, doesn't it? But like all stars, our sun has a lifespan, and its final act will be the most dramatic performance in the history of our solar system. In about 5 billion years, the sun will face a fuel crisis. It will have used up most of the hydrogen in its core. This is where things get really interesting. Without that fuel, gravity will cause the core to shrink and get hotter, while the sun's outer layers will puff up, expanding like a colossal balloon. Our familiar yellow star will transform into a red giant. How giant? So giant that it will swallow Mercury and Venus whole. Earth might escape being engulfed, but it won't be a pleasant place to be. The heat will be so intense that our oceans will boil away, and the surface will be scorched into a lifeless molten rock. It's a dramatic end for our home planet, all thanks to our aging star. After the red giant phase, the sun's core will become hot enough to start a new reaction, fusing helium into carbon and oxygen. But this is just a temporary fix. Once the helium runs out, the sun will become unstable. It will gently puff away its outer layers into space, creating a breathtaking cosmic spectacle known as a planetary nebula. Imagine a giant, glowing bubble of gas, beautifully illuminated by the dying star at its center. And what will be left of our sun? A tiny, superdense core called a white dwarf. It will be about the size of Earth, but incredibly heavy. This white dwarf won't produce any new energy. It will simply be a cooling ember, slowly radiating its leftover heat into the vast emptiness of space over trillions of years. Eventually, it will fade into a cold, dark object known as a black dwarf. But here's the beautiful part. This isn't truly an end. The elements the sun casts off in its planetary nebula, the carbon, the oxygen, will drift through the galaxy. These are the very ingredients needed for new stars, new planets, and maybe, just maybe, new life somewhere else in the cosmos. The sun's death is a form of cosmic recycling, ensuring that its legacy becomes the building blocks for future generations of stars. So, the next time you feel the sun's warmth, remember its incredible story, a cycle of birth, life, and a spectacular transformation that will one day seed the stars anew. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey through space and time as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic adventures. See you next time.